Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's info session on our Baptist Bond program. My name is Maria Herrera. I am the School of Nursing Operations Manager. Along with me are a couple of important individuals that will be helping me provide everyone with information on our Baptist program. With me directly is Eric Tejada. He is our pre-nursing and recruitment specialist. And for those of you that have applied and are interested in obtaining more information on the application for Baptist, he is your go-to individual. In addition to Eric, we have Miss Melissa Abreu and Miss Maricela Duque directly from Baptist, and they will be providing some detailed information that you guys won't want to miss. So a couple of things that we are going to be going over today. Number one, what is the Baptist Bond program? So we are going to be providing everyone with an overview on the program. We're also going to be providing details on the admission requirements as well as the process, important dates to remember, and also what is Baptist Health South Florida. So that's for those of you that are not familiar with Baptist Health South Florida, which is one of our large health organizations. We'll be talking a little bit more about that. So first and foremost, what is Baptist Bond? All right, so Baptist Bond is basically a scholars program which pays a significant portion of the tuition expenses. Now, our students who qualify for this program are those that are accepted into our nursing program. So for those of you that have received either a conditional or a full acceptance for fall or spring, you may be eligible to apply for the Baptist Scholars Program. The Baptist Scholars Program does admit an average of 15 to 35 qualified applicants. We always encourage our students that the minute that you receive your acceptance letter, if you know that you are interested in this program, please take advantage and apply. As previously stated, only BSN accepted students can apply. So if you are currently in pre-nursing, unfortunately, this program will not be applicable to you, but it's something to think about for the future when you do get accepted into the nursing program.
You want me to take over, Maria?
I'm sorry?
You want me to take over so you don't have to keep talking?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Melissa Abreu. I am the program manager for the Baptist Barry Bond program. That is kind of the name Barry has dubbed our scholar students. We work very closely with Eric and Maria at Barry University to make sure that you have a seamless transition as a bond scholar. So what is it like if you are accepted into the Baptist program? Typically, our cohort size is anywhere from 15 to 30 students. This is a picture of one of our previous cohorts. If you are coming in the fall, it is a 6-semester traditional option program. You will attend classes with us at our Baptist Kendall location. So it's not going to be at the hospital on Kendall Drive, but we do have a building right off the Turnpike in Kendall right off 117. We have a whole floor full of classrooms, computer labs, and skills labs where you will take classes with our faculty that are dually appointed with Barry University. You are going to do all of your clinical rotations within the Baptist Health system. The only exception will be for mental health and pediatrics because we don't have those inpatient units. So Barry will assign you to different hospitals for those rotations, but we'll take you for everything else. And then there's the opportunity for our nurse intern role, which I will, in a couple slides, we'll let Maricela update you guys on that. So NSA is our Nursing Student Association. This is something that is housed within the Barry University campus. There are community service opportunities. You get to represent your classmates, and we do have a Baptist scholar who represents our Baptist cohort. You have the opportunity to network while you're in school, participate in conferences. Some of our previous NSA members were able to attend the Nursing Consortium meeting, which happens twice a year. It's a great opportunity to kind of get together with other nursing students and really just represent Barry University and be part of that network. All right, so Baptist Health. You may have heard a little bit about the pineapple. We have a small presence in the Miami-Dade County area. So it is one of the largest and most prestigious healthcare systems in South Florida. We have our main flagship, which is the picture here, Baptist Hospital on Kendall Drive. We have West Kendall Baptist, South Miami, Homestead, Doctors. We have the two Fishermen and Mariners down in the Keys. We have our Doral Hospital in Doral. We have an outpatient center in Plantation, and then up in the Palm Beaches, we have Boca Regional, and then Bethesda East and Bethesda West, and we're constantly growing. There's numerous urgent care centers, ambulatory surgery centers, medical office buildings. So the sky's the limit when it comes to working for our healthcare system and being part of the Pineapple team. And another great thing about Baptist Health South Florida is we are a Fortune Top 100 Best Place to Work, 25 years strong being on this list. We are magnet recognized. Typically, this is, something a lot of new nurses look for, is working for a hospital that has that magnet recognition, because it does set us apart in having that nursing excellence and that shared governance and listening to our nurses on how to make things better. Again, you have opportunities to work in many different specialties, and we are consistently ranked as one of the best employers in America by its employees. And that's, I think, one great thing about Baptist is they are really looking for the employees' feedback and the employees' work environment to see how they can best improve it to make things better. And whether that's implementing new technology, changing technology from maybe one platform to a new one, how do we improve patient care at the bedside, research and innovation. We have a lot of nurses that are doing research out there at the bedside, and they're not at the PhD level. They have their BSN degree, and after their residency and orientation, maybe they saw something on the unit and they get integrated into that research project, and they try and help with making change at the unit level. So they're doing really great things out there. So our cohort application for fall is going to be, actually that should have been fall 2025. Sorry, we updated the dates, but not the semester. So for our fall 2025, which is going to be starting in August, our application deadline is July 10th. And then if any of you are applying for the accelerated program, or if you're finishing out your last couple of prereqs and you're going to apply for the spring admission cycle, and then that is going to open up in October, and those applications will close on November 14th. This is just a way that you can access the application. You can click on that download, or you can scan the QR code. All right, Maricela, you want to kind of go through this and maybe talk about the nurse intern role? Oh, you're muted.
That'll be helpful. Sorry about that. Hi, everyone. I'm Maricela. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the nurse intern role and what's included with being a Baptist Bond student. Students that are part of the Baptist Bond team get a reduced tuition package based on a mutual agreement between Baptist Health and Barry University. Baptist pays for a significant amount of your tuition. You get to do your clinicals with us, just like Melissa said, and have a potential opportunity to work for Baptist Health after you finish and you pass your boards. So our nurse intern role, once you successfully complete your Med-Surg 1 class and clinical, you're eligible to apply for our nurse intern roles. The availabilities really depend on what it is the unit needs, but we have nurse intern roles throughout all our facilities in South Florida. So you will get an email that, it's time to apply, and then you can apply for whatever unit you would like to work for. You interview, and if you're accepted, you work as a sorry, excuse me, essentially as a nursing assistant alongside the nursing team, learning how, we do things the Baptist way and learning to care for our patients as part of the team. It's a really great way to get hands-on experience outside of clinical and outside of lecture. And also you really get to know the unit you're on, and the team on that unit really gets to know you, which will hopefully set you up for a future job opportunity once you're successfully completed.
Thank you, Maricela.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you, ladies. So for those of you that have questions, as stated before, on the application, or if you need contact information, feel free to reach out to our BSN recruitment and compliance specialist, Mr. Eric Tejada. His information is available on screen. We hope that everybody found this information session helpful. Take care.